What's going on, everybody? Hey, I just wanted to offer a cool little thought. I just finished my workout here at AM Gym. I don't know what it's really called, but you know, I was thinking, and I used to drive by this gym, you know, for the last year and a half or so that I've been here in Monterey, and drive by it, and I was looking, it's like, man, I want to start working out. And you know, at that time, these gyms up, you know, that are basically air conditioned, you know, nice equipment. Of course, these morons up here don't give you water. You have to pay for water in the gym, which is one of the dumbest things in the world. In fact, I was just talking to the manager, and she's as clueless as a dead elephant. But you know, as I was thinking about my, you know, the journey over the last year and so, looking at this place, not being able to work out there because it was too expensive. But now I not only work out there, I have a personal trainer, I have a nutritionist who designs my meals, cooks my meals, delivers my meals for me weekly, multiple times a week. And I'm able to take the supplements that I want, all because I was able to increase my income. And so much can change in 12 months. Even more can change in 24 months. And it was really kind of, you know, neat. I was laughing to myself inside thinking, man, I used to drive by this place and look and say, man, I wish it wasn't so expensive so I could work out there. But in all honesty, it was, man, I just need to make more money so I can work out there and, you know, work out properly. So I just wanted to share that with you. You know, if there's something that you want that's a little outside of your price range, don't wish for things to be cheaper. Because if things are cheap, everyone would be doing it. Don't wish for things to be cheaper. Make more money. Increase your income. That has to be at the forefront of your mind all the time. How can you increase your income so you can go out and you can enjoy the things in life that you want to do on your time, on your terms? That's exactly what I'm doing, you know, with the gym and everything now. So anyways, gotta go home, gotta film some videos today, and yeah, connect with all of you on social media.